What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spikes, and I'm back with another video. Man, it's been a while, man. Listen, guys, I want to explain something to y'all real quick. First of all, we want to get into this, man. I hope y'all all being blessed. I hope everybody's having a good day, and I hope everybody's trying to finish their year off in a positive way, man. Hey, man, I want to appreciate and say thank you to all my supporters, my followers, man, and our new subscribers, man. It's your boy Jay Spikes, and what we do over here, man, is work on stuff, man. Build and adjust and adapt. That's all we do over here, man. Listen, man, we got a new one added to the collection, man. Y'all see that old Chevy there? We got that added to the collection. I gave y'all a rundown on it on another video. We got the Cadillac back here. I just put another motor in it. It's sitting right there. The new motor's in it. And we got the bad boy right there. But listen, man, it's your boy Jay Spice, man. And I had something happen to me, man, that's going on with this right here. I want to explain that to y'all, and I want to share that with y'all, man, because, yeah, let's get into that. Y'all hold on. All right, y'all. Listen, man, the other morning, man, I was headed to work. I was headed to drop my old lady off at work, right? I had this guy. We moved in this new neighborhood, man. Got our little spot. We got a little spin around. We got way more land now, y'all. Y'all see the shop over there? It ain't up on the house no more. But listen, I'm gonna give y'all a look at that too. Anyway, man, I was headed to work the other day, and prior to the other day, I seen a guy swerve at me, man. You know, a couple people been seeing my truck, and, you know, I ain't gonna say no harsh words and that, but a little young dude seen my truck. He kind of swung at me a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just you know how motherfuckers do. Today we gonna cuss a little bit, because I don't give a damn. But you know how motherfuckers do, right? I ain't think nothing of it. I'm too mature to be playing, right? So I just kept on moseying on by my way, man. All right. About 2 or 3 mornings later, I meet this same little dude on the road. So since I knew he was hogging the lane, I kind of hugged the shoulder. I kind of hugged my lane. I kind of hugged my lane hard, quick. You know what I'm saying? So this boy gonna swing towards my motherfucking truck and hit my goddamn mirror, and I like to went to jail. Man, I pulled my gun out. I started tripping. I had to get my composure and get myself back together, man, and remember, man, you know what I'm saying, who I do it for, you know what I'm saying? But listen, man, before I show y'all my mirror, the motherfucker broke my mirror, man. Then he went to trying to explain and look up mirrors on the internet, and I told him, motherfucker, these ain't no factory fucking Chevrolet mirrors. Oh, what year is your truck? What year is your truck, dude? Bitch, this ain't no motherfucking normal mirror on my shit, boy. So, long story short, man, I ended up standing on the side of the road with him for about 15 minutes getting his insurance and all this bull crap. And he ended up giving me the insurance. I guess he had bought a new truck. It was an older truck, older Chevy. But I guess he pulled his, I said, give me your goddamn insurance, motherfucker. He pulled out his phone real quick. So I didn't think of nothing of it. So I just grabbed my phone and took a picture of his insurance on my phone. And took a picture of his license plate. And I, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I'm always yawning and tired. What the freak is going on? But yeah, got a picture of his stuff. And I tried to get my composure back about myself. But before I finish this story, man, I check my mirror out, man. Check my mirror out, man. Y'all gonna be mad. My supporters, y'all know I just got these mirrors about 6 months ago, man. Y'all know I had to wait 8 weeks on these mirrors, pay $248, wait on them to be shipped, hope they get here safe, and then here this go with this little punk ass boy. With this little boy. But it's okay. Y'all check this out, man. Tell me how y'all feel, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you would have did if it would have happened to you. Check this out. Hey, man, as y'all can see, I got the old OBS right here, man. She's still here, baby. It's but listen, man. Look at it. 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 Look at it, man. Look at it. Ain't this horrible? Man, I almost went to jail, man. I almost went to jail, man. I'm serious. I promise y'all. Look at that. Look at that. He hit it so hard. When he hit it, he got so close to me. When he hit it, it slapped my mirror like this. And when my mirror went all the way in and hit my door. Actually, you can see right there where it hit my door. And it cracked my mirror. But I had my kids in the truck, man, and everything. And boy, I was hot. I was hot. I ain't really made up my mind what I want to do about my mirror yet. I don't know if I want to DIY, try to fix it, get another set of mirrors and put the glass in it or what. But I'm gonna do something, man. Dude just hit my truck, man. I like lost it, but I want to tell y'all something, man. On a grown level, man. On a more mature level, man. You ain't always gotta take to violence, man. I used to be a violent, ignorant motherfucker. But having kids and having a woman that care about me and want to do better, if you want to do better, man, you got to do better, man. You got to do better, man. And I can't be going to jail. I can't be going to jail trying to sell my stuff to get out, pulling money out of my 401k or none of that, man. But I just want to share that with y'all, man. Boy, I just want y'all to see that, man. Because y'all know, man, my supporters know, man, how happy I was, man, when I got the mirrors and how good they look and where they came from, man. RZ Customs Lights on Facebook, man. On Google it. RZ Customs Lights. Y'all can get them lights, the mirrors. He got plenty of stuff for OBS's, man. Fords, blase. Check them out, man. For real. They look good, man. Got some good stuff. But listen, man. It's gonna be a little short video, man. I just want to give y'all a little glimpse of that, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know what y'all do, man. But I'm serious, man. It don't take all that ignorant stuff, man. Act your age, man. Act your age, man. Before you get just blew off your shoulders, man. And then you be put on a t-shirt and all your family be crying and people be hollering about why he do that. It was an accident. He didn't have to go to violence. It was an accident. Things happen. It wasn't nothing but a mirror. All they gonna say, it wasn't nothing but a mirror. Not knowing I done spent $300 on these mirrors. And waiting on them. And they had the money for that. Shouldn't have been buying that bull crap. But, you know, just so much, want to have nice stuff. Here we go. And then here go a sorry, broke son bitch that's gonna ram into a nigga shit. A motherfucker shit. Man, listen, man. Y'all hold it down, man. It's your boy J Spice, man. That's all I want to do is show y'all, man. I want to give y'all a quick little explanation about that mirror, man. It's your boy J Spice. I got a lot of stuff coming. We got that 480 in that thing, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Like, subscribe, comment, man. Click that bell, man. It's your boy J Spice. I'm out. Peace.